Good morning, students. Welcome back to physical education class, that is chapter 5, Yoga. Meaning of Yoga. The word yoga is from Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join. In simple words, yoga is the way to join God, that is merge of soul with God and experience of oneness with Him. According to Swami Digambarji, yoga is a union of Atma and Paramatma. Yoga is a life science which deals with the health of body and harmony of mind. The main purpose of yoga is to provide sound body with tension-free and sound mind. So, we can say yoga is a way of life which means to enjoy complete happiness, healthy and peaceful living. Union of Atma with Paramatma is possible by purification of body and mind. Therefore, according to Ashtanga Yoga from Patanjali, yoga consists of 8 stages to achieve the union of Atma and Paramatma. Now students will see importance of yoga. In this, yoga is a science as well as the art of living for healthy, happy and prosperous life. Thus, it affects are mostly internal. Regular practice of yoga develops and purifies body and mind to its optimal level. It develops proper functioning of glands in a balanced form. It develops ability to control our sense organs to function properly. It relaxes our stresses and tension to lead a peaceful life. It cures many chronic diseases to benefit health of an individual. Now the points are, it improves cardiovascular system. That means the cardiovascular system is being improved by asanas and pranayama, as well as endurance is highly developed, sufficient level of strength ability is increased, it strengthens respiratory system and other organs to optimum level, away from cardiac problems. Here, yoga practice cures and improves the efficiency of heart. It keeps away from cardiac problems. Next point is proper functioning of digestive organs. Here, yoga asanas, pranayama and kriyas improves the efficiency of digestive organs. It properly functions. Next, control over sense organs. The sense organs are also relaxes and the body develops to control over the sense organs, as well as we can say that it relaxes the body from its pains and thus stabilizes mind. Next comes relaxes stresses and tensions. Yoga relaxes the body and mind. It removes the stress, tension and worries. Thus freshens the mind and soul completely. Next point is develops concentration. Here it develops concentration. Different yoga techniques help to concentrate. Thus memory recall ability increases. Good posture. Yogic asana tones up the body and its muscles. It sharpens the body to look attractive. It reduces also excessive fat from the body. Therefore, it prevents obesity. Regulates proper diet according to individual needs. Removes ortho problems. There is many types of chronic ortho problems like arthritis, joint pain, spondylitis, back, backache, etc. That can be prevented by doing yoga asanas. Next one, ninth one is it cures diseases. That means yoga practice can cure types of disease like cough, cold, asthma, gastric problems, constipation, piles, high blood pressure, etc. Prevents premature aging. Yoga techniques prevents premature aging. Thus, old age factor can be delayed and optimum health living can be attained. Improves health and hygiene. Yoga can improve health and hygiene. That means healthy life, happy life, peaceful and prosperous life can be achieved by doing yoga practices.